Hi, my name is Tina. Online learning comes with tech challenges. Here's a quick and easy tech tip for you to open up all the websites you need with just one click of a mouse. Here's what I mean. Right-click on a bookmark folder, click Open All, and boom, all the websites you need is right in front of you. It is very common that your child's teacher will use different websites to facilitate online learning. Now, what if you need to add more website onto a bookmark? You can just enter the website you need, click on the start button to add on to bookmark, name the file, and indicate under which folder you would like to add it onto. For here, schoolwork, and then click done. So now, if I left click on schoolwork, the Google Classroom is added. Okay, and that's how you would add a website onto your bookmark folder. If you need to rearrange your folder, you could easily drag and drop, okay, or even add it onto this folder right here. If you have different schedules for different days of the week, easily you could create folders and titled it as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on and so forth. If you have different siblings who require to use the computer on different time slots of the day, all you need to do is make sure they are signed on to the right Google account. You will just click on this and sign out after you're done, and the next person open up the Google Chrome, sign in, and boom, all the bookmark folder will be right in front of you. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up so that I will continue sharing with you more of my quick and easy tech tips that has been very useful for my child when we went into distance learning suddenly back in March. And he actually adapted really well to online learning. For more quick and easy DIYs and tech tips, please subscribe to my channel. I upload every Mondays. Thank you so much for watching.